Case name Arjun Singh and age is 28 years. Today date is 22nd April 2025 and complaint of non-fluent speech and slightly high pitch also. Yeah. So tell about yourself, why you came here. I want speech sample before treatment.
Okay, I came for a non-fluent speech and fast speaking and high pitch problem.
So tell about your hobbies and family and job.
My hobbies are the swimming, gym and all, and I'm doing in a job basically. I'm in an IT based company.
Post therapy video of Arjun, and today date is 29th of April 2025. Arjun, I want speech sample after the treatment. What was the problem and how do you feel after this 8 days of voice therapy?
Okay, my problem is a stammering and a fast speaking and some low speech volume. So after 8 days I can speak easily and fluently.
What reactions you are getting, or once you compared your voice sample in your mobile first day and today,
Yes.
what changes you observed?
Okay, initially days my voice is too low and there is I speak so fast initially days, but now the voice after the treatment my voice is good. Basically I can speak fluently.
Okay, and while speaking, what changes personally you are observing in your day-to-day life?
Okay, now I can feel my vocal basically, how the voice is going on.
Means earlier you're putting more effort.
Yes, I need yes, and now I got a confidence.
Okay, so confidence is a byproduct. Okay, so can we use a video for awareness purpose?
Yes, you can use.
Thanks for the permission. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive changes in his communication or any specific changes in his communication before and after, please write in the comment box and share this video, like this video, so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. Thanks for watching.